Let's get cooking.
Why wouldn't you go vegan?
Cost of living.
Too expensive.
Not very accessible for me.
The stereotype is eating vegan is expensive, but if you're eating with the season and the economy, it can actually be super affordable and often cheaper than animal products. And to help you with the cost of living, here are my 5 budget staples. Legumes, tofu, trust me, it's delicious. PVP, a great mint substitute, pasta, and of course, fresh fruit and veg. I found us 2 budget-friendly recipes from the VegKit website, so you and me are gonna cook it up. Let's go shopping together. 2 budget-friendly recipes, let's go home and cook. Straight from VegKit, today we're cooking spaghetti frittata and fresh out the oven, a lentil vegan shepherd's pie. It's easy peasy, it's comfort food, it's a family favorite. This reminds me so much of cooking with my grandma. Vegan meals have never been more affordable. This is a spaghetti frittata that I've whipped up. This is an easy recipe, it's budget friendly, and this whole thing serves 4. Comfort food, packed full of flavor. The whole family's gonna love it. For this and more budget friendly recipes, head to vegkit.com.